Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with PR. So in today's topic, we will be understanding how we can delete element from a specific position. So I have already started C programming and data structure concept on this channel. So if you have not started yet, so I strongly suggest you to watch all those videos first. Okay, so make sure you check out the playlist. So let's start today's topic. So what deletion is? So when you say what deletion, when you want to delete or remove one element from an array, okay, and you have to choose in which position or you can say which index you want to delete the element. So that time you can say delete operation, you have to say what that's a deletion. Okay, that process you can say deletion. All right. So whenever you want to remove an element from a specific position, that you can say deletion operation. Okay, as you know that we have to make our array, like we are storing the elements in our array in a contiguous memory allocation. So whenever you're deleting the element, whatever the elements left means remaining elements, right, must be actually shifted to all, to fill the empty gap, you can say. Okay, so that time you will say we have to make our shifting. So why shifting required? So we will get a gap now when you are deleting a position, right? You will get a gap. So we have to fill that gap actually. Okay, so how we can fill it? We can shift our elements left side. So in an insertion, we were doing what? Right side shifting. But in this deletion, we have to make left side shifting, okay? So that we can maintain the order of the elements. Okay, to maintain the order of the elements, right? Elements must, after the deletion position, you have to shift it. Actually, you have to shift one position to the left. So this is why we require shifting. Let's know what are the types of it. So we can delete an element at beginning. You can say the first element need to remove. Okay, so all element are shifted in the left. So when you are saying deletion at a specific position, all right. So in that time, you can say the element at a given position is removed. Okay, and we have to what shift the remaining elements to the left. Okay. So after that, we have deletion at index. So we will simply remove the last element. Okay, and without doing any shifting, as we know that will be the last element. So why to shift? All right. So today we will discuss about that deletion at a specific position. So you will choose the position, you will choose the index, and then we will delete it. All right. Now, next here, I have given example of it. The example at a specific position. So let's talk step by step. So if we have an array element, okay, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 elements. So number of elements, 5. Position, I want to delete 3. So that means index 2. So 0, 1, and 2. 30 element I want to delete. So this is my original array looks like, okay. I want to delete 30. So these are the index values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I want to delete 30. So I want output as what? 10, 20, 40, and 50. All right. So we have to start shifting. So we have to start shifting from left side, you can say. From left side, we have to do it. Okay. So element after the delete position are shifted one position to the left. So first shift, how we can do so? When we are removing the element, okay. When we are removing the element, suppose, wait. When I removing the element, that time we have to know that 30 need to delete. So when 30 need to delete, that means what? That means what? We are saying simply as what 40 need to shift in the left side. So we are shifting our simply 40 actually in the left side, one position left side, you can say. Okay. So now whatever 30 was there, it will become now 40. So this how it looks like your array, no? 40 will shift in the previous location, left side. So this is the left side. Okay. So 40 will go in this position. Second index will looks like now 40. So 30 deleted now. But you have to shift to 50 also because we don't have, element as 42 times. No, we have only one time. Okay. 50 we need to delete in the next previous position that you can say left position. Okay, then we have to do what we have to do. Our shifting, second shift we have to do. Index 4 may we have to shift our element. Index 3 need to shift in, you can say in the fourth. So how we can do it? 50 need to shift in the fourth index. So this your fourth index you can say. Okay, and you can say this 50, the now this 50 is in the this position. All right, and 2 is having second index is 40 and 20 is a one index and 10 is a zero index, you can say. Now when you will reduce it, right, means when you have already shifted the element, then you have to reduce the element of n also. So whatever the n 5, now it becomes 4. So n minus minus you can do, and your final element, your array looks like this 10, 20, 40, and 50. We have to discard the last position, because we have already do what n minus minus, right? So when we are doing n minus minus, so it will go only 0 to 3 only. All right. So now let's check how we can write a simple program in this. Okay. Here I have taken A. Okay, A is having 20 size. All right, I am asking n value. Okay, I'm asking number of elements inside it. Okay, and now I'm asking what value you want to delete, or you can say the index value. Okay, so I'm writing enter index value, or you can say position value, whatever index to delete. All right, so now it will say suppose um it will store. Now I'm writing pause. Okay, I have written here pause. So position I'm asking now, so I'm writing here position. So position. Okay, so now I will start for loop, a simple for loop we will start. Okay, and we'll simply write here I equals to, it will start from where? It will start from index. Okay, so it will start from pause. You can say we have to do pause minus 1. Why? Because was index is minus 1 actually. Okay, something that it will be pause minus 1. So I'm not writing right now index, I'm writing position. So position, and it will go till n minus 1. Okay, and it will be increased one by one. So I will increase one by one. Okay, and when we will do it, then we have to what? We have to shift right now. No, we have to shift left. Okay, so we'll write a of I will go in the left position, that is I, a of I, you can say. All right, so a I plus 1 will go in the a of I, and then once this all for loop over, then we have to decrease the size of n also. Okay, we have to decrease the size of n minus minus I'm doing, and then we have to say the number of elements, updated elements in your array. Okay, so here I write printf, a little space I will give. Okay, and a of I. Let's start this program. So it will say number of elements. I'm writing 5 number of elements. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now which element you want to delete? I want to delete 30 elements. So that position is 1, 2, 3. So I will write here 3. So it will take index 3 minus 1. Okay. It's not printing the elements. Why? I equals to 0 plus minus 1. It's not printing. Why? So here, just write down ampersand. Okay, now run this code. I have 5 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I'm saying in a third location I want to delete. So this is how it will delete. Okay. So this is a very simple one. All right. So this is how we can delete the element. We have to shift left side. Okay. One by one. All right. Now let's check out the algorithm of it. So this is the algorithm step by step I have written. So where we have to read the element. First we have to read the element, okay, and then we have to read the elements inside your array, and then we have to say the which position you want to delete the element. Then we have to shift our elements left side. So I am doing I equals to pause minus 1. We said I equals to pause minus 1. It will go n minus 2 times. That's why I have written n minus 1. Okay, so it will go n minus 2 times. Why? Because we have to go till last index, no, right? Then we have to say what? A I plus 1 will shift in a of I. All right, this is how we can do left shift, and then we will decrease the size of it, and then we will display the updated array. All right, so this is a very basic of the deletion in a specific location. All right, in a next video, we will be understanding how we can delete element at beginning and at end, you can say. All right, I have already uploaded insertion video where I have discussed all three concepts where we can, if I want to insert a new element in a specific location, and if you want to insert a new element at the beginning and at the end. So please check out that video. I will sharing the link in a description also. All right. So guys, if you like this video, please do like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel of mine. All right, and share with your friends also. Thank you so much. Happy learning, guys.